Usually you would have to go through a document and manually set text parameters for each text box. But text styles are basically text templates that you can set up just once and apply to text boxes with just a single click of the mouse. Why don't we get started? Once we click on the Style button, we see the default styles. Below, we have two options: Edit Styles and Add from Selection. Add from Selection is used when we've already edited a piece of text. What we can do is select a text box and add its parameters to our Styles palette. Let's click Edit Styles to bring up the editor. To the left, we see our current styles. Using the buttons below, we can add or delete one. Once we select a style in the list, we see a preview to the right. And just below that, we have the properties. Let's take a look at those. The List drop-down menu allows us to add bullets to or number the text that we apply this style to. Note that any changes we make here are reflected in the preview above. Let's leave that at None. Next, we have some alignment options that dictate how text will be aligned relative to the text box borders. Just below are spacing options, between letters and between lines. Let's leave both of those at 0. The Color button brings up the System Color dialog and allows us to choose a text color. Lastly, let's choose a font. Let's click on the Font button to bring up the System Fonts dialog. Note that if you have the Extras pack, you have an extra collection called BeLight Software. If necessary, in this dialog we can also change the typeface and font size. So once we close that, we're done with this style. Make sure that you go through and set up all of the styles that you need. I'm going to go ahead and do that for us. Once we've edited all of our styles, we need to click OK. And now our styles are available in this menu. Applying one is as simple as selecting a text box and clicking on a style in the list. It really is that simple. If we have a box with texts that we need to apply different styles to, we just need to double-click on the text box. Select a portion of the text and select the style up above. So, having said all that, this lesson has come to an end. We'll see you next time.